Okay. So I'll just play that line. Just look how they line up. Slow till you get it. Then the next section, again, just look how they line up. It's a consistent rhythm for the whole thing. We can do it a little faster. Okay, just on that one. That's it. The whole thing is like that. Memorize it. And then the next part, the fun part, you should probably just get there and then think about this next part. But this is an E minor, this tune. There's an F sharp. If you notice, the whole time it's just F that's sharp the whole time. So the first section there, or the first melody, there's the intro and then there's the first melody section. These are all notes from the scale. Maybe think about 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, 5. Think about the numbers just to get them in your brain. And again, the left hand, E minor, G major second inversion, B minor first inversion, D major reposition, Alberti bass, bottom top, middle top, 2 times each. So you know, this is I want you to memorize this. That's why this is, and this is knowing your music theory is going to help you to do that. When we go to here, these are all the melody notes are what we call chord tones. Did we talk about chord tones?
No.
Okay, so
But they're
a chord.
considered the chord.
Yeah. Not rocket science. So, in other words, E minor, the chord tones are E, G, and B.
Right.
G major, G, B, D.
Right.
B, D, F sharp, and D, F sharp, A. Right? So when we get here, it helps when you're memorizing this instead of just, was it this or was it this? Was it that or did we go? So these are all chord tones. So this is a big E minor chord. And then the next thing is a G major chord. So that's how I know to have an E here and a D here. And then your B minor. So you're playing just a B minor and a D. This is a stretch. If that's too much of a stretch, you can just use your thumb. Now, the fun part.
Yeah.
This is where everybody really gets teary-eyed. If you weren't crying already, this is like... Just let it flow out.
It's so pretty, isn't it?
It's great. I get pissed off every time I hear it because it's the dumbest thing. It's the easiest thing to write ever,
so
and he did it.
know.
And it's just like,
I know.
why didn't I think of that?
How is
It's
that
so
possible?
dumb. So, what it is, if you look at the groupings, it's really, you have these groups of 4 in the left hand, right? Groups of 4 notes. And the right hand, if you just look at the going up ones, those are groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a group of 4. So it's kind of what we call a cross rhythm, sort of like it's sort of like a hemial. It's sort of just it's 3 and 4 at the same time, or you can think 3 and 2. But it's just the phrasing. So the right hand is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, and the left hand is just 4 plus 4. So as long as you look where the things line up, look vertically. And the way that you want to learn this, it's a lot easier if you can just do pieces, right? And then go to the next piece. Okay? Just do that a couple times till it makes sense, because it's going to mess with your brain. And then continue. Etc. Does that make sense? And the good news is that each measure is a repeat of that feel. So once you get through the first measure, and then here's your 4. can do that, and
Mhm.
don't worry about dissonance. It's fine. Once you get through that, then you just apply different chords. These are all chord tones.
Mhm.
You apply that to the next chord,
Okay.
and the next chord, and the next chord, and then there's like one little transition note at the second last note in each
Okay.
measure. Those are the parts.
So would you can you play that to closer to speed just so I
Oh.
can hear what it's
But it's getting the right, I think about fingers sometimes, pinkies, I'm sorry, thumb and pinky, middle, thumbs, pinkies, middle finger and the thumb, middle finger and the thumb. Uh-oh, I lost my place. and then you get the dissonant note, and then. So if you do it really, really slow, it's not going to really sound like it.
It doesn't sound the same.
And I don't
It's
want,
really interesting.
it's not, and that's going to teach you a lot.